Hey everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today you are going to make a super simple side dish, collards. That's right, collards and apples in your microwave, no time at all, and yes, it will taste like you're from the South. I've got my Pampered Chef quart microwave cooker with the lid. Great thing you can get from Pampered Chef item to have. Simple wooden spoon to stir with, and a knife to do a little bit of chopping. That's all. The ingredients for today, I've got 1 pound of frozen collards, very inexpensive in your local grocer. 1 red apple chopped. Leave the skin on, folks. I've got 1 heaping tablespoon of Badia Collard Seasoning. I've got 1 tablespoon of honey. I have got 1 tablespoon of oil, and I have got 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Take your microwave cooker, open the bag, place it in the container, add your ingredients. In goes the apples. Now we're going to give that a good old stir. Put the lid on. You'll put it in the microwave. Now my microwave has a sensor for frozen vegetables. Use that if you've got it. If not, read the package. Most of them say between 8 and 10 minutes. Here we go. Alright, the microwave is done its mash. We pull it out. It's cooked down pretty good. You can kind of stir in here. I like to put it in the bowl just to make sure I get it stirred really well. How we serve this. Great side dish. Quick and easy without 4 days of cooking on a stovetop. There you go. Collards, just like Grandma used to make in 1/5 the time. Everyone have a wonderful day.